If you use the foreign trader option and have foreign currency bank accounts, then from time to time, usually maybe as part of your year end or month end, you'll want to revalue those foreign bank accounts so that your accounts are accurate. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how easy it is to do that. We're going to revalue this euro bank account. So the current balance on the account is €5,000 and it's showing a base balance of £3,333.33. And you'll see in the currency code column we've got euro. So to revalue the bank account, we've got an icon on our toolbar at the top, foreign bank revaluation. That icon is only on the toolbar if you're using Sage Accounts version 21 or version 22. If you're on an earlier version, you'll need to go via modules, wizards, and then foreign bank revaluation. But we're going to select it from the toolbar at the top because we're using version 22. So we get a confirmation telling us that we need to close any other windows that we've got open, so we just click yes to continue. The foreign bank revaluation wizard then appears. Now the first thing to do is choose the relevant currency. Now you'll only have currencies listed that you've got bank accounts set up in. So it doesn't list your base currency because it doesn't need to be revalued, but any foreign currency bank accounts, those currencies are listed. So I've got two foreign currencies set up, US dollar and euros, and it's the euro account that I want to revalue. So I select that from the list, click OK, and it lists all of the euro bank accounts that I've got set up. So if I did have more than one, that would appear on the list as well. Now if you've got more than one, you select the account that you want to revalue. You might want to do them all at the same time. So I highlight that account, click next, and then I need to enter the date that I want to revalue on. So choose the date. In this example, it's the 31st of December 2015, which is my year-end date in this example. And then I'll just quickly explain this information that you can see. So account reference, that's the bank account number. The balance is, in this case, it's the foreign balance, €5,000. Now do be aware that our bank accounts did say €5,000, but if you've got any transactions dated beyond this date that we are revaluing on, that would have been included in the bank accounts window, but this is actually the balance as at that date. So €5,000. We haven't entered any transactions beyond that date, which is why it agrees with that bank accounts window. We've then got the account currency, which is euros, the base currency equivalent value, so the £3,333.33, and we then enter the exchange rate that we want to use for the revaluation. So I'm just going to enter 1.75. Can also enter a department for the revaluation if I want to. I then click next, and it now tells me to check the values. So again, just explaining the information on here, our bank account number, the date that we've set for the revaluation, the euro balance or the foreign currency balance, which is still €5,000, that doesn't change, the original balance, and using the new exchange rate, what the revalued balance will be. So £5,000 or €5,000 with an exchange rate of 1.75 will give us a revalued balance in base currency of £2,857.14. Now the difference between these, the original balance in your base currency and your revalued balance in the base currency, gives us a reduction of £476.19. So our base balance is actually going to decrease because of the revaluation. Once you've checked those values, you click post, you'll be prompted, or depending on your currency's update setting, in my example I've got it to prompt me every time I enter an exchange rate that's different to the one on the currencies list. So I'm going to click yes just to update that currencies list, and then that's it done. That's how easy it is to revalue your foreign currency bank accounts. If we just go back to the bank accounts list, and you'll see we've now got that updated base balance. The foreign balance, €5,000, it's still exactly the same. That's how easy it is to revalue your foreign currency account. If you make a mistake when you revalue your foreign currency account, it's very easy to correct this. You need to go into your bank record, choose the revaluations tab. Now on Sage Accounts version 22, that's down the left hand side. On all previous versions, you'll have a tab along the top. So we go into revaluations, and then we click show balances, and we've got two options at the top. We've got an edit option and a reverse option. Now if we've made a mistake with the exchange rate, we can highlight the relevant revaluation, and they'll all be listed if you've run this a number of times, and we can then click edit, and it will allow us to change the rate. If we've made a mistake with the date, we need to reverse it. So we highlight it, click reverse, it removes it from the revaluations list, we click save, and that's it done. And we're back to where we started at the beginning of the demonstration. So very easy if you do make a mistake to correct that.